Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 61 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the 1/8 scale madmax car from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourselves folks and build along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building along with me. Let's have a scoot through this week's magazine and see what we've got. Stage 61 is the right side of the engine block. We got the manifold and valve block are fitted to the right and engine block, folks. Nice simple issue, this one, folks. Literally getting your manifold there, dropping that in place with a PS05 screw. Same there. And then we're flipping it over onto this one and joining them two bits together. And we're going to end up with the other bank of the engine to match the other side, folks, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing today. Falcon reborn there as the Ford Maverick in 1970 to 77 there. Loads of blurb there and all the original brochures trying to sell you one of these bad boys. So give them a read and have a looky look at the history of the Fords reborn. So we'll put the magazine to one side, folks, and we'll start a bit more assembly for you. So here's our parts that we've got. Nice solid die cast components. And we have got PS05 screws as well. So let's open that up. Get them in situ. Bung them on there. We want to grab our manifold like so. Spin that up the correct way. And this piece of manifold is just going to sit on there like so. And then we're going to drop that in with the PS05 screws. So we'll do our usual bit of oil. Like so. Just drop that round the thread. Just move the knife out of the way. And we're going in here and here, folks, okay? So I might as well go straight in. Like that. And then do the same on this one. Like so. That's that piece there. And then we got some DS02 screws, which are over here. So let's grab those. I've got a pair of those to go in. Join them together. So let's grab one of them. Obligatory bit of oil. Like to let that run down the thread, and then we want to mate these two pieces together now, okay? Just literally like so. And then we're turning that around and we're going down in here like that. So I'm going to turn it around that way, and that should then allow me to get that right down in there. Like so. Can relax now. Same again, nice bit of oil. Let that run down a thread. Now we'll pop this other screw in. There you go. So that's that in situ, looking rather sexy. And that's now ready for when we start mating the engine components together, folks. So that's what we're up to today, matching the instructions there, folks. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, pop over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this beautiful 1/8 scale Ford Falcon. Also, to help me out, click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. It is free, folks. Helps me grow the channel, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there. Select all to be notified of upcoming content. Remember to thumbs up and hype the video for me. Let's it go on other people's feed. Get them to come in and see me. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Till then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.